In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in Xero. First, open Xero and go to the Sales section. Xero's help says, you can create a customer invoice from the dashboard or the sales screen by clicking the Add icon and choosing Create Invoice. You can also start from a contact record if you already have the customer saved. Once the invoice screen opens, choose the customer contact, then enter the invoice date and due date. After that, add your line items, such as the product or service name, quantity, price, tax rate, and account code if needed. Xero's invoice guide describes this as the main workflow for creating a sales invoice for a customer. Next, review the totals and make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, you can save the invoice as a draft, approve it, or approve and send it, depending on what stage you're at. Xero also has separate support for approving and sending invoices once the draft is ready. If you want the invoice to look more professional, Xero also lets you use a branding theme or invoice template so your logo, payment details, and layout appear automatically. So the simple process is go to Sales, click Create Invoice, enter the customer and invoice details, add your line items, then save or send it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.